Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified course, lesson number 8. I have shortened the Madinah Arabic books with examples from the Quran so that you learn Quranic Arabic quickly and you begin to understand Quran. I have made the lessons only about 10 minutes long to make Arabic learning easy for you. Please join this Quranic grammar course for 2 or 3 short videos per week. Please do try to keep up with the videos so you are caught up. Watch them till you have mastered the concepts, since the course builds on previous lessons. So please look out for these videos every week. I am Afifa, and today's short lesson number 8 will start the topic of Arabic sentence types. Let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In Arabic, there are 2 types of sentences. The first is called nominal sentence, which just means that it starts with a noun. And we have verbal sentences, which means the sentence starts with a verb. So in Arabic, the nominal sentence is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu. So al-jumlatu means sentence and al-ismiyatu means nominal, means it starts with a noun. For example, the sentence al-baytu jamilun. Here, notice that this sentence starts with a noun, right? And we have seen before in a prior lesson that if it starts with al, it is a definite noun, right? So the translation is the house is beautiful. It is jamilun, and this is indefinite. Okay, and as I said, the verbal sentence starts with the verb. For example, the sentence dakhala al-mudarrisu. The teacher has entered. Here, the first word dakhala is a verb, and this sentence started with a verb. Who entered? Al-mudarrisu entered. The teacher entered. As I said, sentences are of 2 kinds in Arabic. They are called the nominal sentence and the verbal sentence. So we said before that al-jumlatu means sentence, and it's of 2 kinds. It's al-jumlatul ismiyatu, nominal sentence, and al-jumlatul fi'liyatu, which is a verbal sentence. So now I want to talk a little bit more about the jumlatul fi'liya, the verbal sentence. Although verbal sentences I will cover in the later part of this course. First, we will go into nominal sentences in detail. I do want to just introduce you to some terms of the verbal sentence. And that's what we are going to look at here with this verse from the Quran. Wa means and. Qatala Da'udu Jaluta. It means Da'ud killed Jalut. So let's look at this verbal sentence, and it consists of a verb, a subject, and an object, and usually it is in this order. So now let's go through what these terms mean. Okay, so qatala is a verb. Okay, and every time you have a verb, you're going to have a subject of the verb. Subject is the one who performs the action of the verb. Okay, so here Daoud is the one doing the killing. Okay, so Daoud is the subject of this sentence. Okay, and Jaluta is the object here. What does object mean? Object, you will get the object of the verb if you ask the question what. So ask the question, Daoud killed what? He killed Jalut. So Jalut is the object of this verb. Okay, so you've learned that for this verb qatala, the subject is Daoud and the object is Jalut. Okay, so let's continue. The subject and the object are nouns. Okay, so the subject in Arabic is called al-fa'il. Yes, I do want you to learn this term because it will come in handy for our future discussions. So the subject of the verb here is Daoud, and subject in Arabic is al-fa'il. Okay, and the object that we talked about here was Jalut, and in Arabic it is called al-maf'ul. It is also called al-maf'ulu bihi. Either one is correct. So let me summarize what we learned for al-jumlatul fi'liya, the verbal sentence. We studied that the verb in Arabic is called al-fi'lu. So this haraka, or the vowel sign at the end, you can pronounce it if you continue, or if you stop, you don't have to pronounce it. So you can just say al-fi'l. But if you continue, you can say al-fi'lu. Okay, so that is the verb. We said the subject, which is the doer of the action of the verb, is called al-fa'il. You can also continue and pronounce this haraka at the end, the vowel sign at the end, and you can say al-fa'ilu. Okay, that's the subject. We said the object is in Arabic called al-maf'ulu bihi. Now we're going to talk more about the nominal sentence, which in Arabic is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu. So before that, let's review what is a sentence in English. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What that means is if I say under the table, that's a phrase. But if I say the book is under the table, that is a complete sentence. So in our first sentence here, Muhammad is a student. Here the subject is Muhammad, because the subject names a person, a place, or a thing. It is the thing that we are talking about, okay? That is the subject. In the second sentence, Hamid is the subject because we are talking about Hamid. And the predicate gives us more information about the subject. So here, Muhammad is the subject and is a student is the predicate because it gives us more information about the subject. And in the second sentence, is sick is the predicate because it gives us more information about Hamid, who is the subject. So in Arabic too, we are going to look at these two parts of the nominal sentence. We're going to look at the subject and the predicate. Okay? But before that, let's again summarize our two kinds of sentences in Arabic. Okay? And we said ismun means noun in Arabic. And we said fi'lun means verb. And we said that the sentence which starts with ismun is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu. And we said the sentence which begins with a fi'lun is called al-jumlatul fi'liyatu. So now let's talk more about the nominal sentences. We said the nominal sentence is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu, where the first word is a noun. For example, al-kitabu sahlun. The book is easy. So we said here the sentence started with a noun, al-kitabu. Right? Okay, now let's learn a few more things about the nominal sentence. We know that the noun that it starts with here, al-kitabu, is the subject of the sentence, and in Arabic we call this mubtada, al-mubtada'u, while the second part is called the khabar, al-khabaru, which is the predicate in English. And we are going to have more discussion now about the subject and the predicate, the mubtada and the khabar. We're going to talk more about it now. So we also learned that the verbal sentence in Arabic is called al-jumlatul fi'liyatu, where it starts with a verbal sentence. Here is another example. Kharaja Bilalun. So kharaja is the verb and it means he went out. So if I ask you, what is the fa'il of this verb, kharaja? What are you going to answer? Please pause the video and try to answer what is the fa'il of this verb kharaja. So the verb kharaja means he went out, and the subject, the fa'il of this verb is Bilalun. Okay, so Bilal is the fa'il. He did the action of this verb. He went out. The lesson has come to about 10 minutes, so I'm going to stop here and continue the discussion on the subject and the predicate in the next lesson. So please make sure you review this lesson thoroughly before moving forward. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.